Hey everybody, Old Man Crypto here, trying to take the intimidation out of crypto for you. Last night we took a look at Bitcoin and made some pretty radical predictions and just about hit them on the mark. So we're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin again and see if we can see down further what might be going on. There's a couple things I need to get off my chest, so I'm going to do that as well. It's a little bit of a hodgepodge, but hang in there with me. I'll make it quick. Thanks a lot. Okay, where to start? Let's start here. Let's look at Bitcoin again. So last night we were looking in to Bitcoin somewhere around here, and we were saying, hey, it could go down into the $7,000 range, sub $7,000 range. We got into the hit down here a couple times down in the $7,800 range. If we look at the trend line again, this is on a 6-hour chart. If we look at that trend line on the peaks, we're way below that. We're below the 1 week moving average still, once again. And we're trending down in price one more time. We dropped below this support line right here, and we'll see what happens. We could bounce off of that a little bit. We'll see. But if we break through here, again, we're going to get below that $7,000 range, or get in that $7,000 range again. If we want to look, here's another spot that you could look at that may be new to you. It's I'll put a title on this, qft.hoodloo.com, which is a pretty cool site if you've never seen it before. It shows you the bases on each of the coins. So we're looking at Bitcoin right now to USDT tether, so fairly close to the US dollar, and you can see we had a support, a baseline here of support. We broke through that, bounced off of it a little bit, came above this support level, but now we've broken through that base support again, which was at about $8,300. So until this breaks through here, that trend line that we're looking at here is fairly confirmed that we're going to, get into this range and potentially break through that as well. So keep a look at that, keep an eye on that. We'll look at that together. Here's something that we need to look at, that you need to be aware of. If you look at CoinMarketCap right now, compared to Bitcoin, not to USD, okay, so if you can click in here and you can toggle back and forth between the base pairs, so this would be USD, but now we're going to look at the coins based upon how Bitcoin is performing. And if we scroll down, you can see Litecoin's up just a little bit, right, and then we get down to the big winner down here, Digix, DAO. Let's click on that coin. Look at that. 46%. Okay? Looks good, right? Got some trading volume behind it, and let's go over here. What is Digix DAO? In dollars right now, we're looking at $401 per coin. Okay? Let's just do this. Go over to their site. And what do we see? The gold standard in distributed ledger technology. Okay, what is this all about? It's proof of stake. Okay, liquid bullion, securing billions, makes it more difficult to trade and use. Digix provides the means to liquidate your metal and use it everyday life. It's same level of physical security, because each token represents 1 gram of 99.99 LBMA standard gold and secured in safe house vaults. So each one of these coins at $400 and plus represents 1 gram of gold. Sounds good, right? Bitcoin's dropping. Let's put our money into gold, into digital gold. Okay, let's do this. What is the current price of a gram of gold? The current price of a gram of gold is $42.66. How can you justify buying a coin that equates to a gram of gold for $450 a coin or a token to get $42 worth of gold? Come on, figure it out. Either put your money in a tether or go buy gold on the stock exchange, in the currency exchange. Buy actual gold currency, not this Digix DAO that's giving you $46 worth for your 401.56. Come on. It doesn't make any sense. They could liquidate out tomorrow, pay everybody off, and take that circulating supply times $350, put it in their pocket and say, see you later. This is ridiculous. Come on, we've got to do a better job. Look at that market cap, $322 billion. I mean, that's a double in the back half of the year. But come on, do your research, find out what's going on, and then make your investments from there. This is, in my mind, it's just asinine. It just makes no sense, unless I'm just totally missing something. It makes no sense to me at all. But I'm sure there's people looking at this and going, wow, this is just taking off. I should be getting into it while Bitcoin's dropping. I've got gold to secure it against. Yeah, you get $46 worth of gold against your $400. Just don't do it. Okay? We'll take a look at Bitcoin again later and see if this thing turns around. Got to, again, break through this $8,300 mark before we can get a confirmation that we're back on the rise. You know, that along with the chart here and the activity that's going on, and then see what happens from there. So please subscribe, please like. I want to do some more videos coming up. Again, I want to show you how to get into Bitcoin or some of the other base coins. If you're looking to get started in this, I'll walk you through it. That's coming up here as soon as I get back from vacation, and I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.